Heading on into Frozen. Yeah.
为了大家的安全，请全程坐好，不要把手、胳膊、腿和脚伸出船外。請照看請注意，請注意，為大家安全着想，請全程坐好，將手、手臂同埋腳保持喺船裏面。
We're heading on to Frozen.
Come on, I know you do. Elsa's made a magic winter show with summer snow for spending me and you. 你哋向緊艾莎嘅冰雪皇宮，我都係，斯特都係嘅，一齊見。
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love and thawed a frozen heart.
Oh, and now they're best friends.
Indeed.
最好嘅朋友啊！ Hey, we're going into the ice palace. The
Are you ready to see Elsa?
They're born ready.
Oh, the sky will be blue, and you guys will be there too. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer. Da-da, da-do, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-boom. The hot and the cold, they're both so intense. Put them together, it just makes sense. Winter's a good time to stay and cuddle up a puppy in summer, and I'll be a happy snowman. Exactly.
When
I feel rough, I like to hold on to my dream, relaxing in the summer sun.
Just letting off steam. Oh, the sky will be blue, and you guys will be there too. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer.
祝你们有一个开心的下雪节！歡迎你哋翻嚟啊！請繼續坐好。
There we are.
Alright, so we just got off Frozen Ever After, and it was part of the early entry access that we had. It was the first thing we came to this morning, and we walked right on.
Yeah, we were, I think, first, second, like, third boat or something.
Yeah, it was fantastic. Now, one thing that I should mention here, everybody runs. Everybody runs.
Yeah.
So we don't.
It's just their culture.
Yeah.
There's nothing you can do about it.
Yeah, I mean, it's fine. I'm just saying, but the point being that you don't need to. We just walked, and like I said, we walked right on. Now, having said that, this ride really got me in the feels this morning for some reason, and it's not even one of my favorite movies. Like, I like it. It's a good movie, but man, this ride just got me right in the feels, and I teared up a little while we were in there. It is modeled after the one at Epcot, so it's very, very similar.
It's very similar.
But I think it's better.
Yeah, it's way better done, I think.
Yeah, there's like one extra scene that there isn't at Epcot, and then also when Elsa is singing "Let It Go" and you know blow backwards, there's a whole bunch of projections on the wall in here that you don't have in Florida. So if you have ridden this ride in Florida, still I would say do it here because it's definitely worth it.
I would say it's a little more polished than the one in Florida, but it's because it was built afterwards. But the timing of everything's just like spot on the timing inside it.
It is, and the difference though here than there, you know how the faces there are kind of like projections. The ones in Florida, these are like full-on animatronics.
Yep.
But so it's a little bit different, and different enough I think that you should ride it for sure. But make sure you do the early access because it does get very, very long waits toward the middle of the day.